Hello class, today we're going to continue building the base, and what we're going to do is this right here. We're going to place a chassis rail, and then we're going to attach bearing flats to that chassis rail, and then we're going to demote it as one part, as you see in the assembly right here. So all of these will become one part and it'll be a new assembly. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to delete this part right here just by pushing the delete key. And then I am going to place a file in metals, and this is going to be my chassis rail, which you guys downloaded from Google Classroom, and it's this one right here. I renamed it 2x1x16R. I'm going to place that chassis rail. Okay, and then I'm going to place bearing flat. Bearing flat is in other parts in your parts folder. Double click on other parts, scroll down until you get to bearing flat del Rin. Click on that and open that up, and then just place 3 of those. Click OK. After you do that, then you're going to attach these to your chassis rail. So click on the Constraint tool, insert constraint, and I use this circular surface right here. And I am going to place that right here according to the PDF on how to build a Clawbot in Vex. I'm going to click apply, exit this, scroll this down. Notice how that other part moves? That's because it's not grounded. We don't need it grounded right now. We're going to attach it to this frame, this angle right here, which is grounded. So next thing you need to do is click on Constraint, insert constraint, and scroll around, find that rounded surface again. Because it's 3 holes wide, we need to place it on the outside right here. So you can see that right here. Click apply, and then we go to the next 2. Now I'm going to move a little bit faster here because you saw how I did the first one. All it is placing it in the right areas now. So I'm going to click on Constraint. I could also use C on my keyboard to constrain. And then I'm going to constrain it right there. Apply, cancel out of that, roll this around, C, and then I'm going to constrain it right here. Oops, insert, constrain it right here to here, hit apply. Now do the last one here. That one, scroll around, click there, apply, click there, zoom in, click there, apply, and those look good. Now what I need to do is demote this part, so I'm going to cancel out of this, highlight everything that I have right here or selected in the browser window, and then I could push tab on my keyboard, or I could right click, go to component, and then click on demote. After you click on Demote, you want to name this, and I like naming it with the part names that I connected. So I'm going to say chassis and bearings. And I'm going to say outside chassis and bearings, because we'll have the outside ones which have bearings in different areas, and then you have the inside ones which you'll need to demote to. And then I'm going to pick my folder. And in my home folder I have parts. I also named a folder called assemblies. Double click on assemblies. I'm going to save my chassis and bearings right there. Notice that I already have it saved there. I'm just going to save over it. You guys do not have it. So oops, let me see this. Oh, I called it outside. I'll call it outside chassis and bearings. Save. And OK, so that'll replace my outside chassis and bearings. Now I'm able to attach that again. So let me go to Constraint, insert constraint, and I can grab this outside surface and the inside surface right there. Hit apply, exit that, scroll this out. Notice that that one's attached or grounded now, so it doesn't move. And then hit C, constrain the inside here with the insert constraint 1 and 2, hit apply, and then you're good to go on that one. Now I can make the other outside one just as easy by clicking on this, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, And now I just need to swing it around and attach it right here. So I'm going to go to Constraint, Insert Constraint, click here. Lost my place. Here, go back to Home, and then click, it's the outside there, so I'm going to go click right there. That'll snap it into place. And then do these two. So last insert constraint is right here and here. Hit apply, go back to your home window, and you can see that your base is beginning to take shape. So that's really nice. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.